This video is about how we prevent our bamboo from spreading. We've got this bit of bamboo, golden bamboo, in an old filing cabinet that we put in last year, and the soil is really sunk, and we decided that we thought we'd have it out and move it because we weren't really happy with it there, and we thought we'd put it in by the stream either side of the path. It might look nice. Now, once I got it out, I realised that it looked like it could be split in two, so I just done the old back-to-back fork method to gently pull her apart into two separate clumps. In order to keep them alive while I was messing about with the pots, I put them in soak in a couple of buckets of water. Now, some people leave the bottoms on the pots, but we have a clay soil here, and I thought to aid the drainage, I take the bottoms right out of the pots. It's quite a deep hole, so I thought I might come across different types of soil. So I got these boxes and tried to keep the soil separate so that I could put it back in the order that I got it out. The bamboo itself is a golden bamboo, supposedly kind of almost like a giant bamboo, and it does spread a bit. So the idea of the pots is to stop it sending out runners. The runners are quite shallow. As long as the pot is 18 inches deep, it shouldn't go underneath the pot to send out runners. They tend to send them out across the top a few inches below the surface. You can see a couple of runners here coming out quite high on the plant. I think I'm going to leave the plants in these pots maybe for a couple of years, and then if they get a bit crowded and a bit condensed, maybe dig them out, split them, and move some around to the front of the house. If you're wondering what the plant is just to the right of the bamboo, it's a cardoon, and they get quite big, and they have a purple spiky flower. We thought it would be a nice contrast. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe. Goodbye.